Hey everybody and welcome. Today we are here in Huntsville, Alabama, getting ready to take you guys to a superhero themed restaurant called
Superheroes. Superheroes. Woo! By the way, there's Spider-Man windows in here, so that's why I got Spider-Man shirts. So yeah.
Who is that?
Iron Man. He can fly in the sky. Yeah.
It's Thor's hammer
And nobody
autographed
can pick it up.
by Stan Lee.
Only Thor is strong to pick it up.
I know.
Yeah.
You think you could pick up his hammer?
And check this out. Right above our table, they're playing Guardians of the Galaxy. What a cool place. And check out this awesome menu. It's like a comic book. And speaking of comic books, all around this entire restaurant, every wall is filled with comic books. But let's open it up and see what they have on the menu. For the appetizers, they have mozzarella sticks, a buffalo dip, down here fried green tomatoes, pickled chips, kitchen sink for the salads, the El Matador. Here are the burgers that they have to choose from. The luau. And here are the wraps. And this is the last page of the comic book themed menu. And all cheeseburgers come with fries and coleslaw. However, you can upgrade to a premium side, such as mac and cheese or green bean casserole. The upgrade for a premium side is 99 cents, or you can get loaded fries for $2.49. Right, for the appetizer here, we have some fried mozzarella sticks with some marinara. Here we go for the cheese pull test. Oh, it's pretty good cheese pull there. Now, Jennifer, you've tried some of these, right?
Mm-hmm.
Are they pretty good?
Oh yeah.
All right.
Very tasty, and the sauce is good.
I'm gonna get a little marinara there. While I feel that the mozzarella sticks are just average, the marinara sauce is above and beyond. That is some good marinara sauce. They don't serve pizza here. But with marinara sauce like this, maybe they should consider making some pizzas, especially, or pasta. Especially with kids coming here, I think it would be a great hit. Henry, what'd you get there, buddy?
I got macaroni, chicken, and a cookie for dessert, and honey mustard, and also, I also got walnuts too, and also I got this for the side. But it's okay because I...
And a little Debbie snack cake for dessert. What'd you get, Gentry?
It's called the Tiny, I think, and it's a hamburger, and you can add on cheese. It seems like they got the oatmeal cream pie.
Yeah.
And some macaroni.
That's one of the best little Debbie snacks right there. You want to lift up your bun? We'll see what the burger looks like. All right, Jennifer, what did you end up ordering?
I got the Poultrygeist. Chicken's so good it's scary. You can choose 4 or 6, and I got 6 because I know that the boys will want some too. And you can get it hand breaded, or you can get it grilled. or blackened, and I got it blackened. And it comes with golden fries and creamy coleslaw, but you can also sub out a side. So I got macaroni and cheese instead of the coleslaw. What did you get?
I ended up getting the used car salesman. As you can see here, it's a hamburger patty with American cheese. It also has some red onions, Roma tomatoes, lettuce, mayonnaise. It comes with fries and coleslaw. All right, Jennifer, what are you going to try first?
Well, I'm going to try this chicken. It smells so good. The blackened and seasoning looks really yummy. It's like, look down there at the juiciness.
The top and the bottom of the seasoning.
Yeah. All right, I'm going to try it without the ranch first. So that is a really good, flavorful kick. You can see all those spices there, so it might even be like their homemade type of seasoning, because it's not like as powdery as some of like the Cajun blackening seasonings that you see like in the supermarket. But yeah, it's really good. It's like just enough of a kick. It's, you know, not like burn, you know, flames in your mouth or anything like that. And you can choose one of their signature sauces. I chose ranch because that really goes well usually with like blackened chicken. So I'm gonna test that out too.
What doesn't ranch go well with?
I know, really, exactly. That was excellent too. So with or without the ranch, it's really great. They have a really tasty ranch too. I'm not sure if it's homemade or not, but whatever it is, it's excellent. I'll be dipping my fries in some of that. I'm gonna try the macaroni and cheese next, which it looks like it's homemade.
I don't see a whole lot of cheese on that. It looks more noodly than cheesy.
Yeah, it might be like your standard like Velveeta. That's what it kind of looks like.
Yeah.
Which is always a hit at the house. Yep, tastes just like a good, you know, boil your noodles, put some buttermilk and some Velveeta and black pepper. I always put black pepper on ours. And this has that too. Love it. And then I'm gonna try one of these golden fries. It's got some good seasoning. Those are tasty too. It's got like a good like kind of peppery type of, just enough salt type of seasoning. I like that too. I'm gonna be dipping that in the ranch also.
All right, I'm gonna start off with the coleslaw here. It's like a yellow tint. At first I thought it was a lighting, but it's a little yellow, so it might have maybe some mustard in there. Ooh. It's got a kick to it. So it's like a kind of like a spicy coleslaw. Rick's Barbecue has kind of a, and of course Rick's Barbecue is from Alabama. This may be something that's from Alabama that we're not aware of, but it's a spicy coleslaw, just like the coleslaw they put on the hot dogs at Rick's Barbecue. I like it.
Does it have like mustard seed or something on it?
It has to have, yeah, there's definitely mustard in it. You taste mustard, but there's a kick. We're going to have to look that up, and down below we'll put the ingredients once we figure out what it is. But we've had that before at Rick's Barbecue on the hot dogs, and again, it must be an Alabama thing. But look at these fries. They're seasoned.
And they call them golden fries.
Here we go. Very good, not too crispy. I don't like my fries crispy. I like them mushy, just like this, similar to a baked potato. And so that's what these are. I like them. All right, here we go. The used car salesman. It's a flavorful burger. It's everything that you would expect with a burger, mayonnaise and all the ingredients. It's a thick burger, as you can see. So I'm very glad that I did not go with a double burger, because that's going to be quite the challenge to be able to consume all of this, but it's good. And the final bill for 4 meals and an appetizer came out to $48.97 after tax and before tip. Not a bad deal at all for all that food. That was Supper Heroes. Spider-Man, what did you think about your meal?
Okay. By the way, I was that fry. And I saw the Spider Avenger in there.
Oh, yeah?
And also I saw that,
You saw?
Also I saw Dr. Doom, and also Doc Ock, and also, I also found this, I also found it.
Thor's hammer, right?
No, not that. I did find it, but I did find his Venom in there too.
That's pretty cool. You had a
Venom,
good.
he turns into his ultimate when he has his he has to press this button in his middle, and then he turns on soon, and then he can when.
Did you enjoy your meal?
Yeah.
All right, and Gentry.
I really like the food too. I got full quick. Great food here. I really like the decorations here and all the collectibles and stuff like that. That was really cool.
I think he really had a good
Yeah.
time. All right, and Jennifer.
This is an awesome place. First off, I have to give a shout out to Sammy. Hey, Sammy, thank you so much for your awesome service. You're so sweet and very knowledgeable of everything that we were asking about this place and everything and about the food. So thank you so much. And I have to say, the food was really good. It was really hard to decide what to get because they had so many really cool combos of different flavors and everything to choose from. And the menu was really awesome. It was, kind of comic book themed, and I thought that was cool. It went along with the theme of the restaurant, and even the kids menus had that too, so that was really cool. But that chicken, that Cajun, you gotta try that. So good, and just everything here was awesome. And sweet tea alert, definitely gotta try that.
And when it comes to my meal, I really enjoyed the burger. It was a heavy burger. There was a lot to it. I ate about half of it, and that's all I could get through. We've got a long distance before the hotel, so unfortunately we couldn't take it as a leftover. Fries were excellent with the seasoning, and I really enjoyed the coleslaw. By the way, our waitress, Sammy, she told us that there's a little bit of mustard in there, a little bit of Cajun. What else was in there? There was mayonnaise and vinegar. So I guess it's the Cajun that gives a little bit of that kick, but it's delicious. I really enjoy it. We've had it at one other place, a barbecue place called Rick's Barbecue, which is based here in Alabama, and they have a few that are up in Tennessee as well. And our waitress even gave us a great barbecue spot, so we're going to try that out maybe tomorrow, maybe the next day. We're down here in Alabama for a few days, so very thankful for that recommendation. Great service, by the way. Awesome theming, probably some of the best that we've seen since we've been down here in Alabama. Love it. But guys, we thank you so much for joining us here in Huntsville, Alabama at Supper Heroes, and we sure to look forward to seeing you on the next episode of Every Day is Saturday.